Hello, everyone, and welcome to You Are Unique Yoga. I am Marlene. Today, we're going to do our 71st yoga asana called the swaying palm tree pose, also known as Tiryaka Tadasana. Now, the benefits of this pose is that it calms the nervous system, it stimulates abdominal organs, it helps with correcting your posture, and it energizes the body. Avoid this pose if you have spinal injuries or surgeries or recent surgeries of your spine and all pregnancies. We'll see you on the mat. Okay, so we're here to do the swaying palm tree pose. What we need to do is come to Tadasana. Now, if your knees tend to touch each other, you can just come a little bit apart, so. And we need our feet to be together on the mat. And the reason why this tree pose is this way is because it resembles the tree. And it's going to test your balance as well on this. So we need our feet to be grounded and touch together. And you will see that the palms of a tree has like these wide leaves. So your hands is pretty much going to demonstrate how the leaves sway. So we come to Tadasana. This video is going to be short today. And let's take a nice inhale in. Now, if your hands and your arms, when it comes to going left and right, if I'm saying right, the camera may pick up it as being left. So it is what I say, what it is. So it's going to be the right. So we're going to raise our right arm. And you notice that your fingers are going to be open and your left arm is going to be sliding down as you come into the pose. Holding the core, and breathe in, and swing your arms all the way over. As you go in, you bend down, and you will see that your arms is pretty much swaying and going. Now your intercostals and your other muscles are also being tested as well in this pose, and you will feel it. And come up and lower down. We're going to rise the other one up. Inhale up. To the side. And you will pretty much feel the stretch because that's what you want. You want to feel that beautiful stretch on the side. Now, if your arm can go past your ear, that's great. If not, just leave it by your ear. Exhale. And more down. And bring the other one up. Try not to have your shoulders on top of your ears there. Breathe in and up and on down. Exhale. On the other side. Now let's try to pick up a little pace with this, okay? So I'm gonna exhale and lower down and bring in the other one. Inhale and lower down. Sway. Center. Lower down. Now we're gonna bring our fingers together. Interlace your fingers and bring them down. And now we're gonna bring them up. Turn it inside out. Make sure the thumbs are touching. Like, make sure it's flat, as if you can put a nice cup and saucer there and holding it. And breathe in. In your ears, your arms is pretty much past your ears. If you can stretch back, as so, where you can pretty much see your ears a little bit there, or feel them right, your arms right behind with a beautiful stretch. And what we're going to do is inhale, come all the way to the side, holding, feel that stretch on the side. Exhale, come on, center, and sway to the other side. And exhale, breathe in, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, center, and again on the side, inhale. Now we're going to hold this pose a little bit, breathe normal, so that we can feel the whole side. And come up, exhale. Arms together. And there you have it. Now that's the swing palm tree pose. I hope you like this video, and we'll see you next time on the mat.